Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can mute the game and mini notifications from someone on Snapchat. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, scroll until you can find the My Friends option. Once you do, tap on it. Now, long tap on the username of someone you want to mute the notifications from. After that, tap on the chat settings. Now, you will find the game and mini notifications. Toggle off the button beside it. Again, hit the mute button. Finally, select the done. And that's it. Now, all the notifications about game and mini has been turned off from the desired person.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.